Hello, welcome to the golden days.
I vow to stand beside you as your partner, your best friend, and your greatest supporter. I will celebrate your wins as my own and comfort you in your lows. I vow to laugh with you, cry with you, and dream with you. In every season, I will choose you all.
Talk about these days 20 years from now. Lean in and look around. The golden days are happening now. The golden days. Where you are, it's who you're with.
Ang pinaka ko na-appreciate siya kay consistent siya, super buot gid na siya kag mapinalanggaon nga tao.
Ang pinaka na-appreciate ko gid siya is para sa akon siya ang pinagawa pa.
The golden days. Oh, we'll talk about these days 20 years from now. Lean in, look around. The
See you at the church na lang. Pero di ko bibili ginahambal si mo, palanggaon tagit ka, hasta sa uli. I love you so much.
days are happening now. Golden days are happening.
I will love you more with every sunrise, and I will walk beside you for all the days of my life.
Right now are the golden days.
Nag-abot na gid man ang time nga maano ta sa simbahan, dara ko ipakita si mo nga paagi sa Ginoo, ma-bless ta kag mahambal ko gid kag ma-promise ko gid siya nga palanggaon ta taas ta sa una.